one of the first issues or concerns that a person might have is if they are contacted by a federal agent, whether it be an FBI agent or an agent from the Department of the Treasury or any other agency. What do you advise people if they are initially contacted by a federal law enforcement agent to do?
What happens is an FBI agent will knock on the door and introduce him or herself, and they have a very conversational manner about them. And because the defendant's not in custody or the suspect's not in custody, they have no obligation to tell you that you have a right to remain silent. And they are trained in getting people to talk. We all have a right to remain silent. If a defendant or a suspect tells the agent, look, thank you, I don't want to speak with you until and unless my lawyer says it's all right and is present, that can never be used against you to charge. A prosecutor can't consider that in their charging decision. It can't be used to convict you. A prosecutor could never say to a jury, Mr. Smith chose not to speak with me or with the agents and therefore he has a guilty conscience. That can't be the basis for conviction. And it can't be used to enhance your sentence. And so there is nothing bad that can come from not speaking with a federal agent. What is most important in a federal case is this. There's only one person who has the ability to either not charge a case, to classify someone as a witness as opposed to being a subject or a target of the investigation, you're going to get charged, or to grant a form of contractual immunity, and that person is the prosecutor. I ask the agent, who is the federal prosecutor who's assigned to this investigation? And then once I reach out to the federal prosecutor, the prosecutor informs the agent that, look, this defendant or this suspect or this client is represented. Please don't go out and interview them. And I establish a relationship. And at that point, I can begin representing my client effectively with the only person, the federal prosecutor, who has the authority not to charge the case.